Hi, my name is Christian Bücker. I'm a business director from macmon Secure. I'm happy to be here and present the integration between macmon NAC and imVision to you. So let me first of all give you a short introduction who we are and what we are doing. So macmon Secure GmbH is a German company based in Berlin, and we're focusing on network access control. Right now around about 70 employees, covering development, support, and everything here in Berlin. We have already more than 1,600 deployments throughout Europe with very high customer satisfaction, so a very high retention rate, and a fast-growing ecosystem of partnerships with other leading security vendors as well as infrastructure vendors. So all kind of different IT equipment vendors which might be integrated with network access control. And since the beginning of this year, we're now part of the Belden Group, so we will have even more impact on all the OT environments. When talking about network access control in general, then we normally divide a project into three core topics. First of all, we've got the overview, and there are already some similarities with imVision, as we're both using SNMP to discover the network and get a lot of details about the infrastructure, the endpoints, and how everything is set up. As soon as this overview is available, it's quite easy to do the next step and enforce the access control, which means isolating unknown endpoints or unwanted endpoints, putting the trusted endpoints into the right network segments, and automate a lot of network administration things in the network. And the third topic then is compliance. So here it is about checking the security status of an endpoint, whether it is compliant or not, and if not, perhaps isolating again and alarming administrators, people in the company to look after the system. We're doing this with a lot of different technologies, so we're supporting SNMP as mentioned already, but also 802.1x. It's agentless, we're supporting foot and fingerprinting for endpoint devices, it's infrastructure agnostic, so as imVision. We're able to support a lot of VLAN concepts and security zones, and very important, automatic isolation of threats. And one of the core things we're working on is integrating our product with a lot of different other solutions, as mentioned in the beginning. And this is what is today about with imVision as a technology partner and a quite nice integration. So let me try to describe what really happens. So it is about a powerful synergy of combined data. As described in the beginning, we are discovering both products are discovering the network and having a lot of details about the infrastructure and the endpoints and the different ports which are available in the network. With an initial sync, the information from CommScope about the physical connections are transferred to macmon, and this is for an initial setup. And then event-based, everything is maintained. So as soon as CommScope discovers changes in the network, these are transferred to macmon to really have always up-to-date data. The integration is API-based, so it's very stable as these APIs are versionized. So it's always ensured that this is a long-term functional integration. And so we are combining port details with real connection details and are able to create enhanced notifications or even use these details in our rule set to have different kind of reactions. And to show you how this looks like, we have a short video also prepared. So here you have the imVision user interface. You can see that there's support in use, and with some more details here, the different connections between the switch and the final switch port. This information is then transferred to macmon. As you can see here, going on the macmon user interface to the list of interfaces, the same interface has the information about the connection which comes from imVision. In the next situation, we are connecting a new endpoint, a new device, which was not planned. Within imVision, we have an event which notifies us about this unscheduled connection. And when we say, yes, that makes sense, that's what we wanted to do, we just assign it, we confirm the change, and the details which you can see here now again are transferred using the API to macmon. And then again, in the interface list, we can see the change here that port number 5 now has also the details about the physical location of the connection. So yeah, that was a short video how it really works and how it looks like. And there are, of course, a lot of changes, a lot of different situations where this might really be helpful to customers. So yeah, I'm happy to discuss this further and hopefully having some quite nice projects together for that. Thanks for listening.